So if you're interested in finding out which backup camera will be best for you, stay tuned. Our choice for best digital wireless backup camera. The Autovox CS2 wireless backup camera is priced at around $120 and features a digital wireless transmitter, which makes it more flexible for super easy installation, so you'll be up and running quickly. There's no actual wire connecting the camera and the monitor, which makes installation dead easy, and you won't have to run any wires across the length of your car. The monitor plugs into your 12-volt power outlet, and the plug itself has a USB port built in, making it easy to use other devices such as a phone charger. If you currently depend on a 12-volt USB adapter for power, you won't have to worry about losing that functionality. To set the camera up to trigger when you shift into reverse, you need to connect one of the wires to the reverse light terminal, and the other gets wired to the frame as a ground. The camera is designed to mount right on your license plate bracket, so you can mount in about a minute with just a screwdriver. The digital video transmitter is built right into the camera, and it works a little like Bluetooth. It also offers far greater range, about 125 feet, which is well above standard and long-range wireless transmitters. On top of that, all the digital signals are encrypted to give you an extra level of security that guarantees that only you can see your cameras. This is a great option if you prefer an easier installation. In most vehicles, you should be able to complete the install in about 15 minutes, including wiring. Using digital wireless transmission is a definite plus, and the multiple backup lane overlays make it suitable for a variety of vehicles, so you won't have difficulty parking, even at night. In addition, the monitor is pretty unobtrusive, and that's important since it will be sitting in front of your windshield. If you're interested in updated pricing on any of the items mentioned in this video, be sure to check out the links below. Prices update on these products almost daily with sales and general price drop, so if you want to find the most updated information, check the description. If you find this video helpful, please help out the channel by giving this video a like, and tell us which product caught your eye in the comments below.